On May 3rd, 2025, at about 10:33 p.m., CHP, San Bernardino PD, County Fire, and AMR responded to a traffic collision near Orange Show Road and Northbound 215 Freeway in San Bernardino. San Bernardino PD arrived at the scene and located a pickup truck that launched from the freeway off-ramp into a field about 25 feet below. The driver had minor injuries and was transported via AMR. The pickup truck was bent in half due to the force of the collision. No other vehicles were believed to be involved. It's unknown if drugs or alcohol played a factor in the collision, although beer cans were located near the pickup truck.
Yeah, I'll advise when they...
Water Tuner 56 still has not responded.
Okay, we'll just take him off the assignment.
Something is not being switched to BDCB 16.
If you've been injured in a car accident, Pedram Law can help. Call them at 424-265-2626. Pedram Law, losing is not an option.